This application video describes how to install the 2RU Net Direct air inlet duct to the Cisco Nexus 9396 switch and cable up the switch using LC duplex fiber cabling. First, install the switch in the desired rack space. Install the 2RU duct in the front of the cabinet and the corresponding 2RU in which the switch was installed. Once the switch and duct are secured, push the slide within the duct up to the back of the switch. There is a locking mechanism in the slide to secure the slide to the back of the switch. Once the slide is in position, lock the slide in place with the fastener. Install the bezel on the front of the thermal duct to complete the installation. This video shows how to install fiber from server to switch. The LC duplex fiber cables are simply connected to the transceiver port on the server to the transceiver port on the switch. Attach the slack cable assemblies into the horizontal D-ring open access cable manager. When dressing the cables, make sure to attach with tack-tie hook and loop cable ties to the vertical in-cabinet cable manager. We hope this video has provided helpful guidance for installing this switch. For more information, please visit our website listed here.